Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to organize channels in Slack. So at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software or just go to the browser version of Slack and then just log into your account. And after that, just go ahead and open up your workspace. I'm going to open up this one, Take Clipper workspace. So I'm just going to click on launch and then just give it some time to launch. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser, then just wait, it will launch. And after it loads successfully, what you have to do is just go to the channels. And here, you'll see a three dot icon over here, which is the more actions icon. Just click on that. And after clicking on that, you'll see sort and show or sort. And you can sort your channel based on activity, unreads, mentions, and all. You can also sort them by A to Z, which is basically sorting them by the name. You can also sort them through the recency. You can also sort them through the priority. After sorting your channels will be organized. And basically that is how to keep your Slack channels organized. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.